my name is Rebecca Cook and I'm with Found Pilates Magazine. I'm going to be doing a modified version of our 5 to Fabulous series for this quarterly magazine. We are going to do the 100, the roll up and rolling like a ball in a more modified manner so that anyone can build up to the true 100, the roll up and rolling like a ball. So all you will need is a small ball. This can be a little bouncy ball that you get from the store, or I know Five Below sells them for $5. So there you go. You can go and get a little ball that you have. You can also set a pillow behind you. So we're going to swing our legs around and we're going to get in sort of a modified position where we can put this ball relatively right between our shoulder blades. It might be just a little bit lower than the shoulder blades, and we're going to bend the knees and have our feet flat on the mat. So in this position, I don't want you to feel like you're just lazy sitting into the ball like you're laying into your couch. I want you to be just the littlest bit lifted so you feel that connection to your powerhouse, to your center. So I feel this work. I'm squeezing my knees together, and here I pump my arms. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're pumping our arms. We might only get to 3 rounds and we might be done and we might have to sit up. Or maybe we only get to 5. That's okay. You can do a small sequence and build up to the full 10 breath cycles. Okay, so put your ball away. We're going to go into roll up. So I tell some of my clients that Pilates, sometimes we have to put training wheels on to help us, and then later on we can take the training wheels off. So I want you to think of this like we're putting on some training wheels that are going to help us do the full exercise later. So many people cannot do a roll-up, and that is okay. And I don't want you to feel like you're doing it wrong if you need to modify. What we're going to do is we're going to keep the knees bent and we're going to inhale the arms up and just to about 45-degree angle back. Then we're going to exhale our air, and that exhale is like our energy. It's helping us maneuver up. And if we can't lift further than this, we're going to use our thighs. We're going to extend our legs a little bit, and then we're going to stretch out our legs. We're going to roll over. And so we get this same C-curve stretch, and then we're going to pull the knees in as we round back. And we might have to walk ourselves back down by using our thighs there. And again, we inhale the arms up, and we exhale, lift up. And then we extend the legs. You can do them both at the same time or one at a time. And then we start bending the knees in as we roll down. Maybe you don't have to hold on. Maybe you can deepen here. That's easier for you. There's all kinds of versions of the roll up you can do and slowly strengthen your body. And pull in. Round the spine from the inside as you go down. If you need your thighs, you can use them. And then bring the head down, and again. And we reach out. Yes, and we roll down. Slowly bringing in the knees helps us keep that rounded position in our low back. And one more time. We lengthen out this time on our own. And now you're going to sit up and we're going to do rolling like a ball. Rolling like a ball is one of my favorite exercises for that really nice massage along the muscles of your spine, your spinal erectors, we call them. So scoot forward on your mat. And this is fun, and we can laugh at ourselves. We aren't always going to feel graceful, and that's okay. We're going to balance, but instead of putting our hands on top of our legs and hugging in tight, we're going to give ourselves some space, okay? on the back of our thighs. We're going to round as much as we can, and now I don't have as far to come back onto the mat. I'm going to go back, and then I'm going to come up. We know that ideally we don't want to be using our legs like this to help us, because it's not a pump of the legs. It's a deepening of our belly muscles, our powerhouse. So we want to think pulling in and contracting back into our spine. We're going to inhale back and exhale. We're trying to keep that same angle in the knee if we can. But if you have to a little bit to get yourself up and you're still feeling it here, it's okay for now. Those are your training wheels. Inhale back, exhale. Notice that I'm looking down towards my inner thighs so that we're giving the whole spine this rounded C shape. And 2 more. Trying to keep the shoulders dropped. 1 more. And there you have it. You were able to do all of those exercises within your ability, and you can still do Pilates. You're going to get stronger. You're going to be able to let go of those training wheels and really do the full Pilates exercises the way Joe intended. I commend you for trying this. You can try it during your day, anytime you'd like. Thank you for joining me, Rebecca Cook with Found Pilates Magazine.